Did Santa come for you? They didn't get to take him out of the tree.
Should I give him...
Libby, go sit.
Get over there.
Go sit.
Should I give him the bones first or the toys first?
No, the toys, because you'll never get him away from the bones.
What's this?
Sit nice. Santa come? Oh, Libby got new squeaky toys. Oh, you got new squeaky toys.
What, make it squeak?
Good girl. She says, Daddy, I know. Yeah, there's your duck. You get new squeaky toys because Penny steals all the squeakers out. Good girl.
What you got? What you got?
She says, I know there's bones in there,
Oh,
Daddy.
yeah. You want the bone?
You
want the bone? Okay.
I know there's bones in there,
Okay.
Daddy.
Come here.
Penny, come sit.
Okay, you ready?
Look at her, look at her.
What's in there, Liv? What's in there? Oh, what is that?
Go ahead,
You
baby,
want
get
it?
it. She won't do it. She's too good of a girl. She won't do it.
Which one you want?
You got candy cane. Which one? Which one? Yeah, good girl. You got candy cane. Livy got candy cane. Look at that dust flying everywhere. You got candy cane.
You want this?
What you got, Pence?
You want this? Go get it.
Hey, Penny got candy cane. Let Mama see, Pennies. What you got, baby? What you got, Pen? These two will eat these things until they're sick. What you got, Penny?
We'll share at least.
Yeah, but
What you got, Liv? I thought it had the red. I didn't realize it had flavor on it.
Look how cute she looks holding it. Oh, she's a good girl. What you got, Pennies?
What is that, Pen?
Penny,
What is that?
What you got,
I
baby?
don't know. Where those toys go?